Hey guys, what's up? It's Courtney. If you want to guess what today is, then go ahead. Oops, I'm going to tell you, it's my birthday. I am 25 years old today. I'm a quarter of a century old. In the arms of an angel. It reminded me of that dog commercial when I did that sad face. Anyway guys, before we get into the video, I'm just going to let you know that I did put avocado oil, olive oil, and coconut oil mixture. I mixed all that up with a little bit of hot water, and I put it all over my hair, saturated my hair, and I let that sit for 15 minutes before I got into my wash routine, because this is just my lazy one when I'm like, I need to wash my hair, but I don't want to. So that's what this one is, and yeah, I know I look a hot mess, but it's my birthday and I'll look a mess if I want to. It's my birthday, I'll look a mess if I want to. That don't sound right. It's my birthday, look a mess if I want to. Yeah, you already know. Anyways guys, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy.
Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out all this oil out of my hair. If you didn't use any oil before this wash, then make sure your hair is completely wet and drenched. You know, completely soaked and wet, and make sure the oil is completely out. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the shampoo. Now this is a sulfate-free shampoo. I should have used a sulfate one because of the oil in my hair, but it's okay, it turned out fine. Make sure you get the buildup off your scalp. You see I'm scrubbing with the pads of my finger. Twisting the bubbles back towards the center of my hair so that can get some cleaning too on that part of the scalp. Yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna rinse the shampoo out. Now make sure you completely rinse out the shampoo. Completely. You'll see me slide my hand down every once in a while to kind of drain my hair out. If the water is white, then there's still shampoo in your hair. If it looks clear when you do that, squeeze your hand down, then you're good. So I was good, and I'm gonna move on to the next side after I drop my shave razor thing. Something in my eye, I don't know what's going on. And scrub the other side of your head just the same as you did before. Rub-a-dub-dub. Oh, while I'm doing this, I am going to let you know that after this video, because I didn't say, after this video I just did a big Bantu knot on my head while it was damp. And that was it. My camera is foggy. Fog. Get the fog off. Anyway, we're going to move on to conditioning. Whole blends. It's the avocado oil and shea butter conditioner. As you can tell, I love it. I kissed it. And I use a lot of this. It's hard to squeeze the bottle. The bottle's kind of inconvenient for a shower trip. Not trip, but you know. Make sure you take care of those ends since they are the oldest part of your hair. Yeah, and then I'm lightly pulsing my hands like that around my hair just to get it in throughout my hair because my hair's thick. And I got some more because my hair's thick. That is the moral of the story. My hair's thick. The video's over. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. Alright. Now I'm just going to make sure that gets in there. And we're going to start at the bottom with the wide tooth comb. And we're going to comb our way up. I comb my way up so that I'm not ripping through my hair, tearing out my hair because there's knots. When you start at the bottom, it just comes out loose. And we're combing. Now we're going to let that conditioner sit on our head longer. Wash your body, do whatever you please. You can get out if you want and get back in. Whatever, you float your boat. We're just going to rinse this conditioner out now. I try not to run my fingers through my hair when I'm rinsing my conditioner out, just to preserve the curls. And I don't rinse the conditioner completely out of my hair, but most of it's out. Just not completely out. Now I'm gonna grab my, if I can get it out of there, I think it's called Enhancing Coconut Curl Cream. Oh, here we go, if I can get it. Geez, that's very inconvenient shower caddy. Just kidding. Oh, Quenching Coconut Curl Cream Conditioner from Organics, I think. And I love it. It's the best. Now I put this towel on my head, act like I'm getting in the bottom of the shirt, but I'm not. I'm just putting my hair in there. Make sure my hair's in there. Get the shirt underneath. And I'm gonna tuck this part behind my ears. Meet those two in the back under my hair. And twist. You twist, pull up, and tuck it in. And we're done.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned some things from moi. I don't know if you did, but I hope you did. If you guys want to see my DIY deep conditioner, I asked in the last video, but I'm gonna ask again because I didn't hear nobody in the comments. So go ahead and let me know down below, because this DIY deep conditioner is bomb. Also, make sure you like this video, and lastly, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my natural hair tips and tricks. Bye.
I know I've got that sway that makes the boys all